Here's how to fix fail to accept family invite on Steam. So the first step is to open up Steam and then simply click on add account. Now we're gonna have to add our friend's account, so we just have to log in because we need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. So once you add your account, you just have to simply click on it to log in. Now, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to preferences on Steam. So you just have to open up the Steam settings, then go to family and click on create or join a Steam family. Now, once we do that, we just have to click on create a family and we have to enter the family name. So I'm going to name it test and then click on create. Now we just have to click on invite a member, and then from here, we just have to search friendly. So we're gonna have to search for ourselves, and then we're gonna have to accept the invitation from our Steam account. So we're gonna have to log out after we do this, after we send the invitation, and then when we log in into our Steam account, we'll be able to accept it. So that's how you can fix fail to accept family invite on Steam.